Micro tool, the first shift notice. A way to recognize the moment communication begins to tilt. Every misunderstanding has a beginning, but the earliest signals are always subtle. Before tone hardens or meaning collapses, there is a first shift, so slight that most people miss it. The client pauses a little longer than usual. The sentence structure changes shape. A normally warm voice becomes flat for a single phrase. Nothing dramatic. Nothing alarming. But something is not flowing the way it did moments ago. When you sense that first shift, don't analyze it or react to it. Simply mark it privately with one gentle inner cue: something is bending. That small awareness prevents assumptions from rushing in. Instead of interpreting the change emotionally, you hold your attention steady long enough to observe what happens next. Most early warning signs disappear as quickly as they appear, unless pressure continues. By noticing them without intervening prematurely, you keep yourself neutral, attentive, and prepared. The shift is rarely a problem. Ignoring it is. Case: the answer that arrived too fast. A Swedish project manager asked her Indian counterpart for confirmation on a new delivery date. The reply came back instantly, so fast that it almost felt rehearsed. Yes, yes, of course, the message said. No hesitation. No questions. No request for clarification. Everything sounded smooth. Too smooth. In their previous exchanges, this client always took a moment to consider the details before committing. He usually asked 3 or 4 short questions to ensure the timeline was realistic. His sudden certainty felt out of character. Nothing in the message pointed to a problem, but something in the pace did. She paused. Something had shifted. When she gently added, "Before I lock this in, tell me what concerns you most about the new timing," the truth emerged. His team had already raised doubts internally, but he felt unable to express hesitation without appearing unprepared in English. The early warning sign wasn't the words. It was the speed. Scenario practice: catching the first crack. In your next conversation, look for a moment where something feels not quite right. Don't fix it. Just name it internally: the thread is loosening. This 1 second of awareness shifts you into leadership mode long before miscommunication takes hold.